Mindful breathing technique. Welcome everyone. Today we're delving into the world of mindfulness, focusing on a simple yet powerful tool, the mindful breathing technique. This technique is a cornerstone of many mindfulness practices. Imagine being able to control your stress levels with just your breath. Mindful breathing allows you to do just that. It's a calming technique that helps you stay focused and relaxed. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place to sit where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Close your eyes and start to focus on your breath. Feel the flow of air in and out. Without changing your breathing, pay attention to each breath. Notice how the air passes through your nostrils and fills up your lungs, and then softly leaves your body again. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. It's natural for our minds to drift off. The goal is not to suppress these thoughts but to let them pass. Now, start to breathe deeply, inhaling for a count of 4, then exhaling for a count of 4. This controlled breathing helps to slow down your heart rate and promote relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply, pay attention to how your body feels. Notice the sensation of relaxation that sweeps over you with each exhale. This is the power of mindful breathing. Remember, the key to mindfulness is consistency. Practice mindful breathing daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. Over time, this simple act can have profound effects on your well-being. That's all for today's tutorial on mindful breathing technique. With practice, you'll be better equipped to handle the stresses of life with calm and composure. Thanks for joining, and breathe easy.